That should be the intro to every video. That should be the intro. Look at that. 25 bucks. 15 for a set of those. Hang on.
I don't know, maybe we want these ones, dude. Are these okay? How much, what's the capacity?
Not start the car. Taking the battery out when you're loading the car as well if there's a battery.
Well,
Just, like,
I have a feeling.
Shit in that engine bay.
I have a feeling, I'm calling it now. What's worse right now? I haven't eaten today and I've only had a Red Bull. What would be worse? Going and getting a KFC Zinger Stacker burger or having nothing at all?
And you're gonna drop it in here, nice and chilled, easy it does. Nice and slow, full lock.
Is that a V8 Stato?
Where do you want us, boys?
What you're planning on doing was totally different to what I was gonna do.
Put it into that car. Oh, that's shit out. What are they on?
You want a bit more? There you go. Now what are you gonna hook it to?
I'm gonna have a chat. It's not mine.
Yeah. Apparently the strap's gonna be rated at 2.5 ton. We're gonna know any of that. Alright. Okay, but they'll be closed soon.
He might want to come from that way.
Yummy.
It's been a solid 6, a very generous 6 out of 10.
Okay, why's that?
Experience right off the bat. I could have gotten the right straps, the right ratchet straps.
Yep.
Sponsored content. Wow. Sometimes we do get the fish.
Right, I feel gross.
There's a lot of zip ties on this fucker. We want to pull the rad out because it's touching the motor. So we want to just get all out of the way and see if we can start it up. Like, get me a Phillips.
What do you reckon?
Alright.
Do you reckon it'll start, Josh?
The chances of this car starting are good, and I'm hopeful.
So we need to get the rad out. Josh. You got a T, you got a 30 somewhere here?
Give me a go.
No way, dude.
What we could do... Let's fuck her out.
Grab a 6mm.
Josh, grab a fucking 6.
I got a 9mm. Fucking hell. Oh, hang on, what's this? 6, 5.
Yeah,
5.
bring it in. Josh, are you gonna fucking help?
Yes. I'm looking.
No, you're not.
Well, is it gonna cool the grass?
Yeah.
Mum won't notice.
Alright, cut these lines.
This car's about to start. We're about to drive it in there.
I'm about to jump it.
1.
Alright, get it in the fucking shed.
Stop. Fucking hell. Alright, oil pan.
Holy fuck! Move it back, Josh, move it back.
Handbrake's off.
Okay, it's fine.
Push it back.
It's fine.
Get the oil pan.
It's fine.
Oil pan's just outside the door.
Got it. That's all the auto trans fluid coming out. You fucking started.
Pick your poison.
Fucked house.
Okay.
Being in fucked house.
Yep.
Go take this for a fucking rip.
Okay.
Very nice.
We're filming YouTube content. There you go. Yeah, windows down.
I don't know how to convertible.
Hang on. Shall I open the boot?
Yeah.
Really?
What else is in here? What do we got? They've just had their fucking ZF fluid changed in their fucking gearbox, so the gearbox is probably fried, and that's why they put that cooler in there. Should we all have some Nicorette gum if there's some in here?
Edge reality.
Oh, I'm fucking edging, dude.
When I'm smoking bombs, I'm edging reality. Guys, running off the steam. Battery just... Guys, don't do that.
Alright.
Fucking hell.
Alright, I'll go grab the last bit of the little screw.
In the end, today was a very strong 8 out of 10.
You said it was a 6 before.
Yeah. Well,
He had barnacle bills, which was
barnacle
good.
bills
Yeah.
And
help,
the car started.
Yeah.
and the car, the engine is clean.
Well, we
Which
don't
is-
know. We need to pull it down. But it starts. It's not ticky. It sounds good.
I'm
The oil looks
80%
good.
happy.
It wasn't a lemon. I thought it was going to be a lemon.
I'm amazed that this thing ran with its guts hanging out.
Yes.
Show us your lip.
This is a Racing Dynamics lip. It's just a lip that attaches to a stock bumper.
Me like you.
Yeah, I like
Me
it.
like you a lot.
Wait, I just. Uh oh.
It needs a new paint job, I reckon.